Mabuhay! Let's hear how they become like the best nurse. Because why nursing? Because you could have done any other courses. Why did you choose to do nursing? Is nursing expensive in the Philippines?
You have to be so responsible. So you cannot do the principles and the values if you are new to senior high school. So it's a lot of subjects to take in one exam.
You better run lang talaga.
You better run. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. Today I'm super happy because I'm with the beautiful nurses. Can you see how beautiful they are? And these are Filipino nurses. As we all know, Philippines has the best nurses in the whole world. So let's hear how they become like the best nurse, because I'm really interested to know what goes into it being like a nurse in the Philippines. So please, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Joyce Marialda Pasoka.
Okay.
Hi, I am Maria Castalitan as Evan.
Okay. Please, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Hazel Teresa.
Wow.
And I'm Veronica Maria.
Okay. So, why nursing? Because you could have done any other courses. Why did you choose to do nursing? Yeah.
It's an in-demand profession.
Oh, it's a demand profession. One of you.
It's always been my dream.
It's always been your dream. Oh my God. One of you.
Same as Ate, it's always been my dream to be a nurse.
Oh, it's like a dream job.
Yes.
I just want to be like my father.
Oh, your dad is a nurse.
Yes.
Shout out to daddy. All right. So you guys are in second year at the moment, right?
Yes.
How is it going so far? Is it stressful?
Yes.
It's like very stressful.
Yes.
Okay, so let's say if someone wants to be a nurse in the Philippines, what goes into being a nurse in the Philippines? What's the requirement? Is there anything like you need to do to be like a nurse, like get admission?
To take entrance exam.
You need to take an entrance exam.
Yeah, in your choices university, and then you have to finish 4 years bachelor's of nursing.
Oh, okay.
And then after you graduated, you have to take a Philippine national exam.
Okay, so you have to first of all get admission by writing an entrance exams, and then when you are done, you have to take a board exams.
Yes.
Okay. So how was the entrance exams? Were you guys a lot when you're taking the entrance exams? Yeah.
It's kinda difficult because it's random questions.
Okay, so you have a lot of people and you have to take the best. So for you guys, you guys are super smart. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's a random question from first year high school to senior high school. So it's a lot of subjects to take in one exam.
Wow.
And a lot of subjects, including all the subjects in one exam.
That would be very stressful.
Yes.
So how was your first year in nursing school? First year in nursing school?
In our first year of experience, it's chill mood pa rin.
Chill mode.
Chill mood siya.
It was chill mood?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Kasi there's no duty pa in our
First year.
Yes.
Okay, so first year you guys were just doing that basics, the anatomy, physiology and everything. And then second year is like...
It's so draining.
It's very
Financial
draining.
and emotional.
Both financial and emotional, because you have to be buying your equipment and
It's a mixed emotion.
basic emotion. Have you ever cried on
You can't
duty
really
before?
explain.
Okay. So, but I think you guys go on duty in your second year, right?
Yes.
So, what are the duties you do? You go to the community?
Yes.
Do you also go to the hospital?
Yes.
Yes.
Wow, second year.
Yes.
It's a combination of community health nursing and the duty in the hospital.
In the duty in the hospital. Okay, so is nursing expensive in the Philippines? Is nursing expensive?
Yes.
It's very
expensive.
It's because it's also in demand and all those
Yes.
things. Okay. Now, there are a lot of people out there who want to become a nurse like you guys, because nursing is like a respected profession and everything. Do you have any advice for them?
You
better run this.
You better run, guys. No, usually you have to be committed when you are entering nursing degree, because when you are committed, it should be you have to be so responsible. So you cannot do the principles and the values if you are not committed and what you are going to do.
Okay, I see. You have to be committed. What of you? Any advice? Because there are people who want to like really become nurses. Do you have any advice? Do you have any advice?
You have to be financially stable, and then your mental health, of course. Because this is so draining.
It's
Draining.
Very draining. Okay. Do you have any advice, I think?
You better run lang talaga.
You better run. Maybe we should listen to her.
High stress environment, medical fields, high stress environment.
I noticed something about your uniform. Your uniform is super nice. And I noticed that aside it being nice, it's like you guys wear something white. Is there any description from the school?
Because we're the nurse of the sick room.
So can you run me through your nursing uniform, like what you have to do, like maybe the dress, how it has to be, the length and everything? How is it like? Can you run me?
It should be you have a clean bun or clean neat hair, and then proper uniform. This is a clinical uniform, so we have different uniforms. So there's a type 1 and type 2. So this is our for the duty.
Oh, okay. So you have different type of uniforms.
Yes.
Type 1 and type 2. So what's the difference between type 1 uniform and type 2 uniform?
So
Type 1, that one.
Okay.
type 1,
Okay.
The school,
very
the school
upper end,
Okay. So the type 1 is just like top and down.
yeah, up and down.
Up and down. Also white. And then the type 2 is this one.
The clinical uniform.
Okay. So I noticed that all of you, your uniform is above your knee. Is it like it's above your
Below
Sorry, below your knee. Below your knee. Is that something the school requires you to sew?
Not really.
But then you guys are disciplined, so you
Yes,
decide
yes.
to make sure that the uniform is below your knee. I think it's really nice. Like, and then what of the cap?
should have to be of this
A cap or something?
Yeah. But
They-
we didn't go
you have to be
under.
presentable.
You have to be very presentable. And why do you guys wear the white stocking? Like, you know, Florence Nightingale, that kind of dress. Why do you guys wear the white stocking? The white, because I noticed you guys have like white stocking and white shoe. All of you have the same uniform, the same shoe, the same hair band. It's like everything is same. It's making it even difficult for me to differentiate you guys, except your glasses.
It's a symbol for us. It's a symbol of a nursing student.
Okay.
It's a part of us.
It's part of you guys. I also noticed that you guys don't have any earring.
Yes,
Why?
it's part of contamination.
You guys are really doing Florence Nightingale nursing.
Yes.
So
Steering.
no earring,
No earrings, no ring band,
no ring band, no
Yes.
earring,
no
nothing.
bracelets,
No
no
bracelets.
anything that came from the contamination.
Oh, okay, so
Only
Wristwatch.
only wristwatch. Okay,
Yes.
for counting the respiratory rates.
Yes, manually count respiration.
Okay, manually. Oh, okay, I see. So you have no earring,
No earrings.
no necklace,
necklace,
no
bracelet.
nothing. Filipino nurses are who they say they are. Very organized, very beautiful, and very disciplined. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe,
Like,
share.
Comment and
subscribe. Bye-bye.